Hi friends, welcome to 99 Bricks Properties. Today I am providing the details of apartment project which is 2, 3 and 4 BHK high-rise gated community project. This is 3 BHK model flat. To know the design and planning of the flat, project details and location highlights are provided in the video. For further details, contact number is provided in the description. This project is by South India's largest real estate developer. They have completed many projects in South India. Now they have started projects in Hyderabad. This construction company uses Maivan technology by which apartment flats are strong and has smooth finishing and the work will be done faster. This project in Hyderabad has RERA approvals and HMD approvals and loans facility available from all major banks. Construction work started in this project. At under construction stage, you will get the flats at low price, which is also a good investment option. This is high-rise gated community project with 5 blocks. Each tower has 33 floors. Total flats are 2600 flats, out of which 600 flats already sold. In this project, they are providing 30 plus world-class amenities. This is model flat with woodwork. You actually get plain flats which are unfurnished flats. In this project you have east and west facing flats with HMDA and RERA approvals and loan facility. In this project you get 2, 3 and 4 BHK flats with sizes of 1110 SFT, 1353 SFT, 1617 SFT and 2021 SFT. This gated community will have grand entrance and 5-star entrance lobby in every tower. In this project, they are providing world-class amenities. A large clubhouse with a swimming pool, co-working spaces, party area, saloon, gaming area with indoor and outdoor games, state-of-art gym to name a few. They are providing acres of landscaped park area with amenities like sensory walkway, co-working spaces, sitting plaza, lounges, hammock park, designated area for women, kids and senior citizen. They are providing rooftop amenities like green gardens, co-working spaces, amphitheater, recreation spots, dining areas, party area. Sky lounges have unique and exclusive amenities like kitty party area, yoga room, co-working spaces, etc. Children have facilities for tuitions and hobby classes like dance, music, art and robotics, etc. Coming to the location, this project is at Bachpalli, which has seen high appreciation rates in recent times. Miapur metro station is 12 minutes drive away from this project. ORR is 15 minutes, JNTU is 15 minutes, by which it has good connectivity to IT corridor and financial district. Surrounding Bachpalli, you have schools, colleges and hospitals. Reputed hospitals and famous shopping malls are 15 to 20 minutes drive away from this location. For further details, WhatsApp to the contact number provided in the description. Thanks for watching.